Alright, so we're going to do an ohm test on the compressor, find out if it's bad. Because what we have here is burn up wires, the contactors really burn up. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect the wires, either from the compressor side or from the contactor side. Make sure your power's off. You take your meter and you turn it to the ohms symbol. And then you take your meter and you touch it to one of the terminals. And then to ground. And make sure you get a good ground. That's out of limits. That's out of limits. That's good. And that's out of limits. That's good. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go from terminal to terminal. And that's 1.1 or 1.0. And you subtract what you get here. And that's 0.5. So that's 0.5 from common to run. .2 common to start. And 2.9. So actually this is good because you take common to run plus common to start should equal start to run. This compressor is good. That's it.